Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Usha Physics Online Class. And guys, today in this video we are going to discuss something very important for our upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam. So guys, this video is going to be in a series that is Target 20, which is a series in which I am mainly going to provide you the videos for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam, which is December 2020. So guys, now if I am going to talk about the discussion we are going to do in this video, so that is a discussion about the quantum mechanics, most important topics which every student need to prepare. Now what are these topics and how these topics will help us to score good marks. So guys, whenever we start the preparation for any exam, so the every important thing in the initial stage is going to be to know about the most important topics, okay, which can help us most of the topics to solve most of the questions in the exam. That's why I'm going to make this video. I'm going to provide you the idea about these topics which are going to be very important done. And mainly from quantum mechanics we are going to discuss these topics in this video. And if you are someone who is going to prepare for the upcoming CSIR Net exam, we have to focus on these topics much more comparison to other topics. There will be other topics as well in the sleepers, but the point is we have to work little like smartly clear, so that we will be able to make a very good command on these topics. And after making the good command on these topics, we will work on rest of these topics as well. Clear? So now let's talk about them quickly and let's just start the preparation for these topics as well in our upcoming video. Then, so guys, the very first topic is going to be in WKB approximation. Then second topic is going to be variational method. That's going to be WKB approximation, in which we will also talk about the hydrogen atom and all other important top points which are present in this topic. We will include them and we will do the discussion about all those points in our upcoming videos. Clear? Still now I told you about three most important topics. You can even consider it in the topic WKB approximation. Next is going to be perturbation theory. Done. That's very important. The next, if I am going to talk about the next very important topic, that is scattering theory. That is, even if there will be some just important topics, because these were very much important, or you can even say most important topics. So if there are some other topics which we need to include, so you know what upcoming videos we will also do the discussion about these topics. Then don't worry about that thing, but the initial four topics which I have to told you them are the most to prepare. Then even in the scattering theory, you will just need to prepare the formula to make a good command on that, and that's why you can easily prepare it. And I will provide you more detailed information about these topics in our upcoming videos. Now guys, one more thing, we are going to discuss many important things, not only the concepts, not only the topics and not only the questions, but during the discussion which we'll do in our upcoming videos. In this series that is Target 20, I will also provide you the information about rest of the important topics on which all the students need to focus. Clear? So I hope that all the videos which I will provide you this series, that is Target 20, will surely help you all to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Clear? Next thing guys, if you want to get the notification for all the new videos when I will upload them in this series, that is Target 20, to watch them in and you don't want to miss if any of these videos, for that what you need to do, you need to subscribe this channel first, okay, and after subscribing this channel, for subscribing what you need to do, just click on the subscribe button below this video. After clicking the subscribe, just click on that icon. Then so after clicking on that banner icon, you will get that notifications for all the new upcoming videos I will upload on this channel. And also guys, don't forget to share the videos with your friends, this who are going to prepare for the exam, because if you will share these videos with them as well, they will also get the information, then important information with these videos for their upcoming exam preparation. Also guys, this series is available in English. And next thing guys, if I am going to talk about the next important point, that is for your exam preparation. If you want to attend the more regular live classes and by all the top educators, we are we're having a phone in your phones, like many of the CSR net classes are available in your phones. So please take a time and prepare for your CSR net exam. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribing, share for help. Bye.